Look around. Nature is under attack. We all bear responsibility for the current condition of our world, and we also share a responsibility to heal it. But time is running out to focus on just the problems. We have to find solutions. We believe that if everyone supports nature and incorporates it into their daily life, this is a great step toward healing the earth. For over a decade, we have covered urban spaces and beautiful green living walls, providing hundreds of thousands of square feet in new plant life. It sounds simple, but simply keeping more nature around you and your habitat can go a long way to answer nature's cry for help. This is a collective effort and a way for you to be a part of the solution to our climate problem. Learn more about green living walls on our website, www.andromedadistrict.com.